A new AI music generator called Udio has just been released, and it's seriously impressive. It might even be better than the current leader, Sunno AI v3. In this video, we'll be diving deep into Udio and seeing how it compares. Udio allows you to create music in various styles using intuitive text prompts. It's like magic text to music. You can choose from auto-generated lyrics, instrumental music, or even write your own lyrics. The user interface is clean and easy to use. Udio lets you generate multiple versions of your song, similar to Sunno AI. The generation times seem to be a bit longer than Sunno AI currently, but Udio is still in beta, so that's to be expected. There's also a music sharing platform where you can upload your creations and listen to other users' songs. Let me show you some tracks I did earlier, and later in this video, I will show you how to use your own lyrics.
In the silver glass that calls my name, I can see the past, its silent frame, mysteries and charm trapped in its gleam. The surface shines with stories and the edges sharp, yet somehow kind, until the swirling fog it comes creeping round to find. Reflecting tales, the mirror gleams, a spectre of the law we trust, altering the tales we hear, reflecting still through dust and years, reflecting with one chance left, my magic seals the ancient halls, 'cause mystical is where I stand, 'cause mystical is where I stand, 'cause mystical is where I stand, 'cause mystical. Caster, 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 caster.
Let's jump into creating a song with Udio. The interface is user-friendly with a few options. To save time, I'll click the dice button for a perfect prompt suggestion from Udio. You can keep clicking until you find inspiration. Udio lets you use pre-written lyrics or create your own. Here you can see some lyrics I generated using ChatGPT. In the prompt area, I typed, "A song about a website called Sumo Bundle Dance." Then I typed the lyrics you see on the screen. Now let's see what Udio comes up with using my lyrics.
On the canvas of the web, a site does stand, where creativity thrives and dreams expand. With pixels and vectors, it's a designer's delight, where imagination soars with every design in sight. Sumo Bunch, oh Sumo Bunch, where graphic dreams take flight. With bundles galore and tools in hand, it's a creator's haven, just right.
On the canvas of the web, a site does stand, where creativity thrives and dreams expand. With pixels and vectors, it's a designer's delight, where imagination soars with every design in sight. Sumo Bunt, oh Sumo Bunt, where graphic dreams take flight. With bundles galore and tools in hand, it's a creator's haven, just right.
On the canvas of the web, a site does stand, where creativity thrives and dreams expand. With pixels and vectors, it's a designer's delight, where imagination soars with every design in sight. Sumo Bunt, oh Sumo Bunt, where graphic dreams take flight. With bundles galore and tools in hand, it's a creator's haven just right.
On the canvas of the web, a site does stand, where creativity thrives and dreams expand. With pixels and vectors, it's a designer's delight, where imagination soars with every design in sight. Ooh, Sumo Bund. Oh, Sumo Bund, where graphic dreams take flight. With bundles galore and tools in hand, it's a creator's haven. Just right.
Finally, let's revisit the very first prompt I generated at the beginning of this tutorial.
There's a dragon huddled by the shore. Though his flames are mighty, he dreads the sparks allure. Oh, brave heart, fear the fire no more. 'Tis the tale, the plight of the weary. Flame fright, feel its warmth once more. Many nights you've shivered outside my in the vast cave sprawling, a gentle dragon's fear, afraid of flames that dance and roar, a dragon's tear, pure and clear. Ooh, even might and scale.
The music quality from Udio is impressive. It has more depth, more instruments, and sounds more realistic than other AI music generators. The vocals also sound more natural. Overall, Udio seems to produce higher quality music with a more crisp sound. The best part? Udio is completely free during the beta program. They haven't announced how long the beta will last, but for now you can generate up to 1,200 songs per month, which is incredible. Udio's arrival has definitely shaken things up in the AI music generation space. It provides some healthy competition for Sunno AI, which can only benefit consumers. Both services are likely to keep improving and innovating. Udio is a fantastic new AI music generator with a lot to offer. It produces high-quality music with a wide range of features. While the generation times are a bit slow right now, it's still in beta, and they're actively working on improvements. If you're looking for a powerful and easy-to-use AI music generator, Udio is definitely worth checking out. I've included a link in the description below.
Breaking chains, free the stage, same old war. New chapters, solid with my Kindle eyes, they spread, we shatter. Talk it like we walk it, never step.
Feel in the city of summer through the heat. In the city of summer.
Guess we need some kind of introduction.
Oh yeah, all right. Here, 1, 2, 3, hit it.
Perfect prompts to start your session. Hit the keys till it feels just right. Ah, yeah. For this track, the tags are flowing. Type 'em in, samples out of sight. Whoa! Udio! Udio! So our songs have got you moving. Uh-huh. laughing, can't deny the grooving. Whoa, yeah, feels so good, gotta rewind it back. Come on, baby, you better extend that track.